Do you think AI is going to replace junior engineers? Listen to what AWS CEO Matt Garman has to say about that one.
I was in a group, a leadership group, and people were telling me, they're like, we think that with AI, we can replace all of our junior people in our company. I was like, that's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Like, they're probably the least expensive employees you have. They're the most leaned into your AI tools. And like, how's that going to work when you go like 10 years in the future and you have no one that is built up or learned anything?
I'm glad that more leaders are recognizing and starting to speak up about this issue, because junior hiring is down almost 50% in some industries. And when you think about it, it kind of makes sense. We're being asked to do more with less. We don't want to distract our senior engineers with having to mentor juniors. And quite frankly, it just takes them time, up to 6 months, to be able to ramp up and learn the code base while they're updating documentation or doing basic debugging. And it can take even longer in a regulated environment like banking. It just takes time. But what if you could let someone else handle this part of the ramp up? And you could simply hire from a pool of talent who already have these skills and they're familiar with the banking terminology and the regulatory compliance. That is exactly what we've created at HTD Financial. We've built a pipeline of engineers who ramp up in just 30 days instead of the usual 6 months. Now you may ask yourself, are they still junior level at that point? Well, you call it whatever you'd like. We measure impact, and that is what this solution is all about. So if you're interested in learning more about this program, get in touch. We'll be happy to walk you through the details.
And so it's, my view is like, you absolutely want to keep hiring kids out of college and teaching them the right ways to go build software and decompose problems and think about it, just as much as you ever have.